This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung phone. So just scroll down from the top and go to settings right here, and we want to go to connections. Now what you want to do is go to your SIM manager. This is going to be located under here. So you're going to have to tap into your SIM card now, and you should have the option for Wi-Fi calling in there, or you can look under more SIM settings. I don't see anything in there. So I have my Google Pixel phone right here, and I can do the same thing on this phone here. Now you're going to see all my information here, so I'll move my phone out of the way, and then I'll tap my SIM card on the top right here, and then we can go on down. Now if I scroll on down, here is the option for Wi-Fi calling right here. Call over mobile network using Wi-Fi. So you just have to go to that section where I showed you. And then we have use Wi-Fi calling located right here. So you can just tap that, and now you're going to be using your Wi-Fi, because if your data signal is really bad in your area, you're going to be dropping calls at your house. So make sure you have that enabled just in case. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.